So boom, Sloppy Riders back with another video. Sloppy AC obviously, because you can see, I'm joking. Anyway, we're down here today. We've got Ty, we've got Victor, we've got Lucas, we've got Harry, and we've got Diogo. Just gonna try and mash and work on with this brake, and let's see what we can do. Well, we just need to go and do something quick before we get a few clips in with my new brake and Lucas some new practice. Oh, here's good, here's good. So yeah, we're just gonna go to the shop, see a bolt for this guy, for his wheelie bike that we showed you yesterday at the end of the video, if you saw. Yeah, let's see.
Don't get mechanical.
Yeah, do not get mechanicals, get hydros. So as you can see today, mostly like a vlog. Oh, coming through quick. Oh, just chilling. I smell the ganja man. Huh?
You know there's a trick, yeah? So if you put your phone in a room,
Yeah.
like you need Bluetooth headphones though,
Yeah.
go to control center, go to hearing, click that, turn on AirPods, you can hear what they're saying when your phone's in that room. So you can
What do you mean? Oh, so basically if your phone's in a different room.
Yeah, you can hear what's going on in the room.
A quick tech lesson with Lucas.
Yeah.
We're back here at the car park, at train station. Ty and Rehard are playing pig. Us four are going to play pig. Me, Harry, Lucas and Diogo. But we're just going to do small stuff. We're not going to play like combos and everything because... But you got a hydro though now, so... Alright, let's... So yeah, who's going to go first?
But you have to land it.
Who's going to go first? Yeah, let the shittest one go first.
Fuck you!
I'm joking.
What are we doing?
We're just playing a game of pig. Just small stuff, innit? Luke is just going to try
I need a
spinning
bigger
around.
space, so I'm doing it, yeah?
He's just going to try spinning around on his bike 3 times and we just have to follow him and do it. That's nothing.
Do I get one more try?
Nah, you failed your set. Diogo set. Okay, I see it. I saw it the first time. Just one hand. Just take one hand off, innit? Harry, you wanna go next? I'll go last, innit? Yeah?
I can't do it. I can't land.
Bang. You done it? Lucas next. Oh, we'll give you that one. We'll give you that one. Oi, we'll give Lucas one more try on that one. No? Okay, P. You got a P.
Now I'm just going to try and do what this guy did. A one hand off. Let's see if he can land it. Okay, we get it. We can do it.
Done it.
Can I do this?
What?
Can I do this?
Yeah, you can try if you want. No, put it, if you can, yeah, just put your foot between this hole and then do it back instead of doing it over the frame. Yeah, because you haven't ever tried it before. But do it coming this way.
Oh, no.
Yeah. PI? While you're waiting for us, you could be trying them tricks that we just done.
Alright, cool. What? Coming this
Yo,
way?
actually,
Yeah, coming this way. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Oh, almost. Do a try one more time. Alright. Oh. Tap your front wheel. easy. What? Tap on your hand. No.
So Andre did. So Andre basically he did a wheelie and then he went like bam.
I thought when you move your hand, you
No.
move your hand.
Nah, look. If I do it with my hand, you don't even be able to do that. Come on. Yeah, bang.
So he landed it. My God.
Go on, Lucas. That's why I said all of you should be able to do it. You did, he done it. You give him that one, he done it. Oh, try one more time. No, try again. Come up one more time and try it. Because you got mechanicals in it. Only downhill. Ooh. You want to take that PI? Alright. Lucas is set. So, PI, P, P. No, you haven't got a P. No, you haven't got a P. PI. Have I got? I've got a PI, haven't I? I've got PI. No, I've got P. I've got P. Lucas has got P. Nah. Joe goes set. Ooh. Failed the set. Harry set. Literally anything, man. Yeah. Foot over bar.
Let me try. No, I want to try that first. Before anyone, let me try it. No, before anyone.
Jigger, you're out. Lucas. Yeah. Trying it as well. What's that, PIG or not? Yeah? Oh yeah, no, you got PI because we gave you a second chance, so you're the same as Jigger. PI. Jigger, you can take 2 chances on this one, innit? Well, I'll do it next, innit?
Yes, 2 chances. Let me go next.
Nah, he's got mechanicals. I'll go next. I'll do it next, innit?
Look at these brakes.
Oh yeah! Oh, I got it! Come on! Oh, you almost done it! Try one more time before you get PIG.
Nah, my feet don't get over there.
No, don't go over like that!
I'm trying to put it like
Lucas is set. Joe got PIG, but we'll give him that one. Just change gear?
No, I want that.
Oh, take your foot off and then go back on.
Let me try one more time.
Alright. Yeah, taking his foot over the pedal. Ooh, easy. Woo!
Yeah.
His set. Oh. Was what you would have called that as a failed set? Yeah. So you're just gonna go, touch your frame, go back. See that? So basically like you're going to do a frame stand, but you're not. Just that? Yep, just that. Oh, bang. Just so we can make it easier for Lucas. Ooh, almost. PIG.
He's going to try and do a death spin.
Oh.
Failed set.
Yeah, all set. Yo. No. Oh, there you go.
So he's gonna try and do something like.
No, he's gonna try both feet over. He's gonna try both feet over the frame. I use my feet over the frame though. Oh.
I want to see this.
Swag.
Not a sound soldier. You ain't.
oh, shit one.
He's gonna go swerve this car right here. You guys can see it. And I don't know what's going on. I think it's P to PI. I think it's P to PI. Let's see if he lands it. Oh, it doesn't land it. Let's see if he can do it.
Whoa.
He did it. Andale! Andre! Andre's gonna swerve this car.
Ooh.
PI to PI. I don't know what he's doing again. Oh, he's swerving again. That's on my bike.
Yo!
Just gonna do some handwork. That
So basically, I'm
sounds.
gonna touch different parts of my bike.
Oh, that sounds very naughty. That sounds very
So
naughty.
basically, like swag, but touching the bike.
He's gonna do something. I don't know. Something with his hands. Sounds very naughty, but let's see. Let's see if he can do it.
Swag, touch a brake. Oh!
Now,
Swag, you know?
this guy's gonna try and foot drag, I think. Let's see.
Oh, yeah.
Andre, you're fucked! Let's see if Andre can do it.
I've never even tried it.
See if Andre can do it. Andre has another time. PI.
You go like that. Can you do that? It's my move. Sorry.
I done a short one, man. Done a short one.
Yes, sir.
To the left, to the right, crisscross.
Let's see if it, wait, next year, let's see if we get closer to the phone. Let's see if we get closer to the phone. This way is easier. So we don't have like cars on this side, so we can take a wide exit. SOS, SOS! It survived! Clap then! Whoa, boom, we're back at home already. Not already, we was out for a little bit still. I hope you like that last bit of the video, even if you've watched until up to here. And if you're new, again, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you turn your post notifications on, because the videos are going to start coming again better, like before, well, consistently. Anyway, it's been your boy Sloppy AC.
Sloppy C. Oh, 3C.
Are you forgetting your name? Are you that tired? Oh, bless you. Anyway,
Yeah,
I
this
found,
is my
look,
new bike.
I'm gonna, no, I found, ooh, should I just show them?
Yeah. This is my new bike.
No, it's not. So basically, me and Lucas found this frame, and now it's
Wow.
my new bike. Well, not, I'm gonna keep my one, but it's gonna be my second build. Looks amazing. But yeah, peace.